This is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I will share a few useful camera tricks and tips for this device. This feature of the camera on this device is the fact that you can use your outside display, this one, to preview the footage from main camera. So you can pretty much use your back cameras as selfie camera. And well, in order to enable it, in order to switch on this preview, go into the camera photo mode, switch to back camera or main camera, then tap on this icon to enable cover screen preview. Now rotate your phone, and here you have it. As you can see, you can take way more quality selfies using your main powerful camera lenses instead of a weaker selfie one. Here you can unlock the screen to access the camera interface and options as well, change shooting mode, and just use camera as you would regularly. Then you also are able, in the regular photo mode, you are also able to switch between different resolution resolution pretty much between 12 and 50 megapixels. So let's take two identical pictures, one in the 12 megapixel mode and one in the 50. And we'll go ahead and compare them. So the shooter of this phone is pretty decent. It's great, actually. So this one is what? This one is regular photo mode. So that's how far I can zoom in, and the level of details and the clarity of those small details you can see yourself how good it is. And when it comes to Pro, 50 megapixels, you can see that you can clearly see that I am able to zoom in way further. And the quality and clarity of details that it retains is also higher. So I can see more filth, more dirt that these poor 3D printed logos have accumulated. And well, just overall, you get higher definition, higher quality pictures using the 50 megapixels. But the trade-off here is that those photos occupy way more storage space, like 2 to 3 times as much. And the resolution of the 50 megapixel mode is 6K by 8K, while the regular photo mode gives you the 3K by 4K definition. And actually, the difference in file size is not that drastic. The regular photo mode, this photo only occupies 3.35 megabytes of storage space, and the 50 megapixel picture only takes like 1.5 times as much. So not too bad if you ask me. Moving on, let's explore what interesting camera modes this little phone, or this huge phone, actually has to offer. So if you will open the More section of modes, you'll find the Pro mode for both photo and video. So what the Pro mode essentially is, it allows you to manually, it's like a regular Pro mode, but it allows you to manually adjust the most important camera parameters such as white balance, the focus distance. How do I get back here? Give me a second. So let's return to the Pro mode. The shutter speed, exposure, and ISO value. So that's everything. All those parameters you can absolutely manually set if you are looking to get like some particular result, and the automatic camera work regarding these parameters is not satisfactory for you. Then when it comes to Pro video, it's pretty much the same. You have all the same parameters, but this time for video you also get the dual channel volume, you have the histogram here, you also get the mic parameters, which you can, there are a bunch of options and customizations that become available once you enter the Pro mode. So if you are looking to use the camera of this phone for serious shooting, you can absolutely do that, both in terms of its camera lens, processing, and availability of parameters for you to adjust. Now let's go into camera settings and see what interesting options we can find here. Before that, let me return to I am in the regular photo mode, so that's pretty odd that not all camera parameters are available to me, but that's fine. Probably those are the intelligent features that I will need to enter another mode to switch on. Anyway, what else do we have here? You can apply custom watermark to your photos and videos. So switch on the watermark, select the model name info to show, then press edit, and input or type in whatever text you would like for it to apply. We can also go into advanced picture options and switch on the high efficiency pictures function that allows to save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format. But that's not something I would particularly worry about, since I guess nowadays the storage space is never the concern on the phone. So, well, I mean, if your storage is limited, or just if you need for your photos to occupy less storage space, you can absolutely go for it. You can also disable video stabilization and overall change the video options here. As you can see, a bunch of options to be changed. And well, as far as the interesting customizations go, that'll be it. Not much we can do. And well, I guess I will end the video here. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.